Journalists who were on board the MST bus en route to Shiroi Lily Festival on May 20 have given their statements to inquiry committee which is investigating in Gwaltabi incident. As many as 12 journalists from different media houses gave their statements to the two-member inquiry committee comprising of Commissioner Home and Ashok Kumar and IT Secretary T.H. Kiran Kumar at Secretariat South Block Room number 188 today. Notably, the inquiry committee failed to submit its inquiry report within the stipulated time of 15 days as mentioned in the government order issued by Chief Secretary P.K. Singh in the name of Manipur Governor on May 21st this year. It is also worth mentioning that All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU has been boycotting government-related news and information, including state and central forces operating in the state, except flood and emergency after the Gwaltabi incident, where security forces deployed at Gwaltabi checkpoint instructed a media team en route to cover Shiroi Lily Festival in Ukhrul district to conceal the Manipur State Transport Sitnach from the bus they were traveling in.